Hey guys, so today is going to be our Huda Beauty mystery bag unboxing. So I don't know how many of you guys actually know about this because I was just scrolling through Trend Mood and she never posted it on Trend Mood's website, but she posted it on Trend Mood's deals. So I'm sure a bunch of us are subscribed to her and I get a lot of my latest information that way. But she had actually posted this Huda Beauty mystery bundles over on Twitter where I saw it first, and then I went over to Instagram and saw it there, but I didn't see it under Instagram. I didn't see it under Trend Mood. It's still posted in Trend Mood deals, but not Trend Mood itself. But anyway, so Huda Beauty came out with these two mystery bags. You can get two different ones. One of them is for $49, and that was the small one. And then the other one was the large mystery bag for $89. So right now I'm on the Huda Beauty website. I thought it was like a flash sale, but apparently it's still here. And it's called the 7-piece mystery bundle. And it says that it's an over 50% savings, and it's for only 48 hours. Like I said, I thought it was only a 48-hour deal, but right now I'm just looking at my site and you can pick it up now. So I don't know if they didn't sell very well or what. So they call it a 7-piece bundle, but one of the items is actually the exclusive tote. So if you got like the smaller bag, you would get however many are supposed to be in there. I think maybe like 5. One of them is the mystery tote. So really you only get 4 products. So in this one, you also only really get 6 full-size products. And then it says it may include products for eyes, lips, and face, and then limited quantities. So the thing with this was that I picked it up really quickly because I wanted to, showcase it for you guys. And also for me, I was like, you know what? I don't own a lot of Huda Beauty stuff. So I think in my case, it actually might be beneficial for me. Here is the bag right here. Sorry if I look a little sweaty. I've been outside with the kids. We've been playing. Well, not we. They've been playing. I've been drinking wine, watching them play. It's like the first nice day since for a while now. Like it's been raining for quite a few days. So that's why I look like this. All right, so the first thing I have here is by the Wishful. This is the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. So this is just a sample size, which I do believe everybody is supposed to get a sample of it. So there's that. Next thing I have here is the Huda Beauty. This is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick, and I have it in Passionista. So I don't own any of her Demi Mattes. I do like her liquid lipstick formula, at least the regular formula, which is what I have. And mine's in Trophy Wife. It's like my favorite color. But that is it right there. It's actually really pretty. I would definitely see myself wearing it, so I appreciate that she did I don't know, a color I would probably wear. Next up I have is the Huda Beauty. This is the Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. All right. So it says, apply 1 to 2 drops for the face, let it set for 20 seconds before applying foundation. It's like gonna come perfect. I was actually just telling myself that I needed to pick up some primers that were more mattifying because I'm starting to get a little bit more oily, and I was trying to pull in stuff from my Shop My Stash, but I didn't have anything. Super excited about this because actually is something I would try it out. All right, so we get 2 of the Ruby Obsession palettes. I'm kind of bummed about this only because of the shades. I would totally be down if these were different shades, but I already own these shades. I got these through my Ipsy bag, and then I got this one through my Ipsy bag, and then this one I purchased through one of the Ipsy deals. While I do love these, I think they're great formula, and I love the green one. I'm not mad that these are in here because these are awesome if you don't have them. I'm just a little bummed that the colors aren't what I would, I just wish they were different colors. That's all. But this is bomb. I think it's pretty cool. I own 3 of these, I think. And of the 3 I own, 2 of the ones that are put in here obviously come in here. So yes, these are great. I love the green one. I love this one too, but it is intense, but the green one is bomb. I've used it quite a few times. So I mean, if you're getting this bundle and you don't have any of these, you're definitely gonna love the formula because it's great. Next thing I have is another this is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte in Shika? I don't know, but I like the color. I can tell you that right now. Oh, I love this color. Oh my gosh, look at that color. Yes. Freaking love this color. It looks so much like Trophy Wife. This is perfect. I freaking love this. I also am excited that it's a demi matte because it's not like a full on matte. And you guys, if you guys are subscribed to my channel, you guys have been here for a while, you guys know how much I love more glossy formulas. So I'm actually thrilled about these, and I love that these are both freaking colors that I would use. The last thing I have here is the Huda Beauty. This is the Rose Gold palette. This is the remastered palette. I think I own this. I don't know what it's called, but I'm pretty sure I own this. And I own the old formula though. All right, so here it is right here. And then once you open it, yeah, this is it. I really wish it was like, what is her other palette? Like the retrograde palette or something? Or like the soft one. I can't remember what it's called, but it's like a more bridal one. I wish she would put that in there. Again, I think if you don't have any Huda Beauty products, then this would be like a great way to go because they're not bad products. Like she has great products, and I don't know what else I was going to say after that. So, okay, so you get 3 palettes. I mean, if I didn't have these exact ones, this would be like a bomb-ass deal, honestly. You get 3 freaking palettes, plus you get 2, well, I shouldn't say it's a mystery bundle, so you might get more or less of something. But I got 3 palettes. I've got 2 lip bundles of 2 colors I actually like, and then a mattifier. So, I don't know. I even feel like just the mattifier and maybe the 2 lip products would be like 20, 40 plus probably, I don't know, like 35. I mean, that's not far off from what I would pay. So I don't know. I mean, I'm not disappointed, but I'm just kind of bummed that of all the eyeshadow palettes I got, I already own them all. So, all right. So I was just looking for my other palettes because I wanted to show you guys just a couple swatches of the smaller Obsessions palette. And I actually don't own the rose gold one. I thought I did, but I don't. Or maybe I did, because I swear I did at some point. I think maybe I decluttered it a long time ago and could have passed it on. That's probably what happened. Because the only one I own is the Desert Dusk palette right now, which looks like this. And I do like this palette. I think it's pretty. So I wanted to show you guys just a couple swatches of these because, like I said, they have really great formula to them. They're super easy to blend, you guys. But like these darker mattes right here, they perform really good. Like not on my hand, obviously, but they actually perform really, really well. So I do like these. I think she did a really great job with like the Obsessions palettes, the smaller ones. So that is everything that I got in my bundle. I got the largest bundle. Definitely will say that if you own a lot of Huda Beauty stuff, this probably would be a waste of your money. But if you guys did get this or you guys didn't even know about this, let me know down below what you guys think or your thoughts are on it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Steph. I will hope you guys will subscribe, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys all in my next video, and I will talk to you guys later. You guys know I upload Sunday through Thursday, 8 a.m. every morning. I will see you then. Bye.